Hey, what's up guys, this is Mo and once again welcome into my channel Gadgets Infinity. So today I'm going to show you how to do the process of video joining. That is, if you have a couple of small videos and you want to convert it into a single long video, then you have to go through the process of video joining. Video joining is basically adding up small videos or maybe large videos, adding up a couple or more videos and convert it into a single video, so that you don't have to click and open and play each and every video again and again. You can click on that single long video and you can see all of your videos of your choice. So basically you have a couple of options through which you can go to the video joining process. The first option is by online. You open your browser and just type online video joiner and press enter. And after you press enter, you can see a list of website which will offer you online video joining process, on which if you click any of these websites, then they will show up how to add the raw videos of your choice from your computer and convert it into a single video. And all these things, the whole process of video joining will go on through online, through your internet, either it is your raw data or using your Wi-Fi. But YouTuber like me or any other person who is who needs this video joining process very frequently, who uses this video joining process frequently, online video joining process is not at all suitable for me or my kind of guy who literally needs a lot of editing or a lot of video joining process very frequently. Because first of all, if you go through this online video joining process, then you need a thorough a good speed of internet. And if suppose your Wi-Fi gets disconnected by some reason, or your data gets disconnected by some reason, then the whole process will be dumped and you have to again start the process from the beginning. And also, if you have malfunction in your computer for some reason, because these are the electronic goods that you are using at the end of the day, and this might malfunction sometime, so the process will be dumped totally. So I don't go through this online process. And also this online video joining process is a very very bit a bit lousy one, because it requires a little bit of more time, because it depends on the Wi-Fi speed that you are using or net speed you are using. So I don't refer to this process. If refer to this process to those people who needs this video joining task more frequently. So instead of doing this online video joining process, you can simply download a simple software into your computer, and you can perform the video joining process anytime in your computer, as long as you wish. You don't need any Wi-Fi or anything. You can do it offline. And the software is known as Format Factory, and this software comes in the full version and it's free. You don't need to pay anything for the for any types of trial or something like that. The full version of this software comes very much free. And the future updates of this softwares, the auto updates of these softwares are also free. So you get everything in this Format Factory software free. So what you have to do to download this software, you have to go to the go open your browser and just click on the in the search option, in the search bar, just type in there. Just hold on a second, my computer got hanged. Yeah, just on the search option, just simply type download factory format. So you can see there are a lot of search options you can see in the Google for the factory format, and just type in there. I'm just typing of their download factory format Win 7, and you can type whatever Windows you are, whatever versions of Windows you are using, maybe 7, 8 or 10, whatever it is. Factory format will work any versions of Windows 7, 7, 8 and 10. but I don't know anything about the XP, whether it will work or in XP or not, but you can go through it and you can have a try. So just type in there, I'm just typing it there, download factory format Windows 7, and pressing enter, and you can see it is searching, and see, yeah, there are a lot of websites which will offer you so you can see there are a lot of website which will offer which from which you can download the factory format, and this is the factory format 4.0.0. this is the latest version of factory format, and you can download it from any of this website in the full version, because this full version of factory format has already been released by the makers of this software absolutely free. So you can go through any of this website and download this factory format and install into your computer, and you don't have to pay anything. So I am considering you that you know that how to download the software and install it in your computer. So after you could download the software and install it in your computer, the desktop icon of factory format will pop up into your computer screen like this one. This is the desktop icon of factory format, and after you see this desktop icon of factory format pops up, you literally have to double click on this icon to open this software. Okay, so this is the home page of this software. Now just maximize it. Yeah, this is the home page of this software, and you can see there are a lot of options in there. And by the way, I must tell you that factory format is not for only video joining. There is a tons of thing that comes with this particular software, and you can do various things that you can perform by this by using this particular software. And I will be showing you the other things what you can do in this particular software in my next videos. Keep a check on my channels, and I will be posting you the links. So by the way, I will be going to this video joining process right now, and you can see there are a lot of options: video, audio, picture, document. At the left hand side of your home page of factory format, you can see all these options like ROM, device, DVD, CD. And at the end you can see the utilities option. If you click on this utility option, the sub options like video joiner and some other options will come up. You have to click this video joining option, and a small box of video joining of factory format option has popped up in your screen. You can see this is the output setting page. Whatever files you are adding, that the quality of those files will be shown in this particular page, and also the output setting, in what type of settings, in what type of quality, or in what type of in which folder you want to get the output video, the final output video of those raw videos that you have already joined. And there are many settings, and you have to make these settings according to your own choice, and I will be showing you that. First you have to do the add file. Click on this add file. Your folders of PC is popping up, and you can click whatever files, whatever videos you can you want to literally join together. So I'm just doing a just simple wildlife video, and again click the add videos and click on there, suppose this one. So these are the two videos that I want to join together. You can add more, but remember, the more you add raw files, the more time it will take to convert the output video, because it depends on the quality. The time of the conversion depends on the quality, the size of the files that you are adding up, and the number of files you are adding up. So the more you add the raw videos for the output, the more time it will take. So I'm just showing you simply the process, and these two videos I have just added. And here at the below of this pop-up screen, you can see there is a add folder. If you click this add folder, a small subfolder will come up, where you can further use the you can further change the settings of where where you want to get the final output video. You can click on this browse option, and you can select the folder of your choice that you want to save the output video, and these are the quality. So just do this browse and just click on the folder that you want to save. Okay, so After this, here is the mp4 and mkv version, that output, what type of output you want. You can click on mp4 or mkv. Now mkv option is not at all, very much common. The common option is mp4. It is, almost all the, almost all website or any type of software can accept mp4 version. So go through mp4, and this is the, quality and the size, and it will show you the, definite, you can change whatever options you want. There is a lots of tons of option that you want for the output settings. I'm not going through it. You just go through it if you want to change something. So for me that's it, and this is the final thing, and I will be just clicking OK. Okay, so after clicking OK, you can see there are two, it is written two files. The sources is two files, and the total size is 36.84 MB, and the video state is, the video joining process, the output folder has been shown. I will be starting this process. So in the upper side you can see there is a start, clear, list, remove. If you want to clear this list, if you just think that you have added it in a wrong way, then you can clear the list or remove particularly this file. So let's start the video joining process, and you can see the video joining process has already been initiated, and this process is going on, and you have to wait it until it get finished. As I just told you that this process of conversion can take a little bit of time, cause it depends on the number of files you are adding up, and the quality of the files, and the, the total size of those raw files that you are adding up of your choice. So the conversion time literally, depends on those files that you are adding up. So for me, if you have, if you have to add up, maybe a mid-size files, or maybe 6 or 7 mid-size files, then I must tell you that you go through it, maybe couple of times, cause if you have enough time in your hand, then go for it. Then select all the raw files and, click on it, and the process will just take care of it, take care of yourself. So it's 100% almost complete. Okay, so this is the sound exactly you get after the conversion process completes, and you can see at the very right hand below corner there is a small, this is the, a small pop-up box that it is said that task is complete and the elapsed time is 2.4 minute. So the video is 2.4 minutes. So just give a cross to it and right click on this particular conversion file, and click open output folder, and the output folder will be pop up the, video joining. You can see video joining 7012. This is the video, this is the final result, and if you click it, the final output video will come up. So that's it guys, this is how you do the video joining process very simply and without spending any money off from your bank. It's a very simple process, and trust me, factory format gives you a lot of options that I will be showing you, lot of other facilities that I'll be showing you on my next videos. So keep an eye on, keep a check on my YouTube channel, Gadgets Infinity. And also there are two more other travel channel and a reaction channel of mine. If you want to check those out, then please go onto the card, the right hand top corner of this particular video, and you can see my other two channels. And also you can check out some other gadget videos, also some unboxing and review videos of my choice. And please friends, I need a lot of support from you guys, because recently I have opened up this Gadget Infinity channel, and to see if you want to see some more exciting videos regarding gadgets and technology, then please do subscribe my channel and please show me some support, and so that I can give you more exciting videos in near future. Till then, thank you, bye bye, and see you on my next video. Bye.